Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem quickly. First, unplug and replug the mouse or wireless dongle. Try a different USB port because ports fail. Once done, swap batteries or recharge and reset them to rule out power dips. Then restart or toggle the device in Device Manager to refresh drivers. This clears transient software hangs. These steps remove the most common causes fast, so you can move to deeper fixes if the glitch persists. Now focus on software reasons. You should update the mouse driver or roll back if problems started after an update. Manufacturer utilities sometimes override Windows settings, so open them and confirm firmware is current. Next, change pointer speed, disable enhance pointer precision if jittery, and lower polling rate if available to reduce noise. Finally, check for apps that capture input or high CPU spikes, close overlays, remote control tools, or heavy tasks that can introduce latency or stutter. Finish with hardware verification and a decisive fix. You should clean the optical sensor and mouse feet with compressed air and a soft cloth, then test on a known good surface or pad. Reflective surfaces cause tracking errors. If still glitching, swap in a different mouse to determine if the device is at fault and plug the suspect mouse into another computer for confirmation. If hardware is the culprit, replace it or update firmware. Otherwise, reset OS input settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.